Hi guys, it's Millie and welcome to Let's Talk Personal Finance, the channel where we discuss how to make money and how to manage it. In today's video, we will be discussing budgeting. I know. Some of you probably think that budgeting is a mundane task with little to no benefits. Well, with this video, I hope to change your mindset by emphasizing the benefits of budgeting as well as giving you the tools to get you started if you aren't already doing so. So let's get into it. Do note, my videos do not constitute as financial advice. If you're looking for financial advice, please speak to a registered financial advisor. Budgeting is the process of creating a detailed spending plan or a detailed roadmap that helps you allocate your income to different tasks. Using this spending plan, you're now able to ensure that you always have enough money for the things that you need. Now, the first benefit of budgeting is that it helps you map out your financial life. It does this by helping you see where you are financially when you start budgeting, as well as showing you the potential where your finances could potentially be after a certain period of time. Secondly, budgeting helps you control your finances. If you know where your money is going and you know where you want your money to be, i.e. your goals, you're able to direct your money towards achieving your goals. Thirdly, budgeting helps you identify any bad spending habits that you might not currently be aware of. This in turn will help you prevent overspending or unnecessary spending. The fourth reason you should consider starting budgeting is that it helps you spot potential financial problems in advance. This gives you a head start to start preparing for emergencies by, for example, directing money towards your emergency fund instead of spending all of it. The fifth reason, which builds on the last one, is that budgeting can help keep you out of debt, or if you're already in debt, it can help you work your way out of it. The sixth and my favorite reason for budgeting is that budgeting helps you find financial contentment. Now, by focusing on your own finances and working hard to achieve your own goals, you don't have time to look at what other people are doing, what other people have achieved so far. And that's why you don't have time to compare yourself to other people. This means that you're not compelled to spend money you don't have on things you don't want. And it also helps you develop good financial habits. Now that we have gone through why you should start budgeting, let me take you through how I do my monthly budget. So I use an Excel spreadsheet to do my budget, and the first thing I always start with is my income. So currently I get income from my 8 to 5 full-time job, and I also get some money from interest. As I mentioned before, budgeting helps you prioritize what's important to you. And the first thing that I do after getting paid is to pay my tithe, which is always 10% of all of my income. My next priority is savings. Now, as you can see, I have long-term savings, which is my retirement. I have mid-term savings, which are the savings that I have for my apartment and for a car. And I have short-term savings, which includes my emergency fund. Now, I have a video that goes more into detail about my 2020 saving goals. So if you're interested, I'll link it up somewhere. As part of my short-term savings, I also put aside money towards my sinking funds. Lastly, I allocate money towards my monthly expenses, which are not substantial since I'm still living at home with my parents, and as such, I don't have expenses such as rent. I also don't have a car, so I do not have a car payment that I'm responsible for. Now, let me take you guys through my July budget. So as you can see on the graph, 11% of all of the income that I received actually went to tithe instead of 10%. 29% of the money that I received went towards my living expenses. So yeah. And the largest portion of my money went towards my retirement savings, and that took up 55% of my income in the month of July. Lastly, well, there are two more items. For my midterm savings, I put away 0% because I was prioritizing my long-term savings. And for my short-term savings, I put away about 5% of my income. So this probably went towards my sinking funds. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, you already know what to do. Like this video, put your comments down in the comment section below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. And remember, you're never too old or too young to talk about personal finance. Toodles!